Welcome to Magitudes. Here's how to export images with transparent background in Canva. In fact, you can only download your images and elements in Canva if you are using Canva Pro. If you're on Canva free, this option won't be available, and Canva will ask you to upgrade your subscription in order to download the picture with transparent background. If you do have Canva Pro, here's how to export an image or element with transparent background. Now, to demonstrate that, I'll just go to create a design here, 600 by 600 pixels, for example. Click on create new design. Then I will just head over to elements here and drag and drop a random element inside of my project window. Then just go to download. Click the option transparent background and then download. And like this, my image will indeed be exported without any background, which means it will be exported as a transparent PNG. One thing to note here is that you can only download a picture with transparent background if you download it as a PNG. So whenever you're going to download here, make sure that the file type is set to PNG. If it is set to JPEG, for example, you won't have that option to download with a transparent background. That's it. All you need to know about how to download images or certain elements in Canva Pro with a transparent background. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to my channel, and in that case, please don't forget to hit the notification bell. Have a great day, guys. Bye.